Today we're gonna talk about the comparison of two exciting cars, which are the Honda City 2020 and the second is Hyundai Verna 2020. So when we talk about the design of these two cars, the design approaches of both these cars are different. There is more premium appeal given to the Honda City, and at second side Hyundai Verna gets looks which brings towards more sporty, which looks exclusive and elegant. First of all, let's talk about the design language of the Honda City. When you notice at the front grille of this car specifically, the grille reminds you about the Honda Civic and the Honda Accord. There is a massive chrome bar on the grille which moves to the headlamps that it looks like one single chrome bar running from left to the right of the front of this car. There are 9 LED lights in the headlamp, from them 6 are for low beam and 3 are for high beam, and there is a daytime running LEDs. At down there is an indicator which is also LED, and the fog lamp of this car are also LEDs. When we move towards the side of this car, first of all look at its tire. The tire size of this car is 185/55 R16 and it also comes with disc brakes on front wheels. Overall, when you look at the side profile of this car, it almost resembles the previous Honda City. And you will notice that the door handle of this car, you will get chrome door handles and you will also get passive entry on both the driver and passenger side. If you move towards to the back side, you will get a shark fin antenna on the roof, which is also comes before and continues the designing of the antenna. From rear, the design of this car was almost changed. There is a new design for the tail lamps and many other things also changed in terms of designing. You will get reflector on rear bumper of this car which is adds on to its overall styling. When you look at the boot of this car, the space is decent enough. There is no issue with the boot carrying capacity of this car. So let's move towards the next car, which is the Hyundai Verna. So look, Hyundai Verna is not a new generation car. Honda City is a new generation car, whereas Hyundai Verna is just a facelift. The boot carrying capacity of this car was decent enough. Loading lift of this car was quite up in compared to Honda City. When we move towards the side profile of this car, it looks more sporty because of its roof line. It means that the roof was more sloped, due to which it's look more sporty and coupe-like design. When you look at the door handle of this car, there is the chrome finish as like was Honda City, and you will also get passive entry on the driver side. If you get the diesel version, you will get the body colored ORBM, but in the turbo petrol version, you will get the black colored ORBM. When you look at the wheels of this car, this is also 16-inch wheels, but there is one major difference. It gets 195 profile whereas Honda City gets 185 profile. It means the tire size of Hyundai Verna is 195/55 R16 and it gets 4 disc brakes both at the front and the rear, whereas Honda City gets only front disc brakes. So let's move on to the front. The front of this car looks better than before and the overall styling looks very attractive and appealing. So in turbo version you will get gloss black grille, and whereas in diesel version you will get the black chrome grille. When you look at the headlamp of this car, these are complete LEDs. They look very stylish and it gives very aggressive look to the car. When you look at down the fog lamp of this car, it's a projector fog lamp. So let's move towards the interior of these two cars. Start from the Honda City. When you look at the interior of the Honda City, you will notice that the interior looks very stylish and premium. The size of the touchscreen system is 8-inch and you will get features like Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. You will also get 32 connected car features. You will get Alexa feature also, through which you can start or on off your car by just a voice command. Comfort of seats of this car was very good. The seats are just like sofa. The seats of this car was best in the segment. And the sunroof of this car was very big in the segment. And when you look at the instrument cluster of this car, it looks very nice. There is a half digital and half analog display. In the digital part are so many features like G meter, there is a driver information display system and you can also customize it. When you press a button at right stock in the left side, there is a camera which activates on your screen, which helps to reduce the blind spot at the left side and helps you for the correct vision. If you engage the reverse gear, the camera quality was decent and it doesn't get adaptive guidelines. It gets 6 airbags, 2 at the front and 2 are side curtain and another 2 are seat eyesight, and there is ABS plus EBD traction control features. So when we talk about the rear seat, there is a lot of legroom on offer. Headroom is sufficient. The rear seat are ultimate for long trips. You will get manual adjustable sunblind at the rear. The comfort is so good at the rear seats. And the Honda City is very good in terms of comfort. So let's move towards the Hyundai Verna. When you look at the interior of the Hyundai Verna, they looks very sporty. In terms of touch and feel, Honda City feels very premium and the Hyundai Verna feels very sporty. In Hyundai Verna, you will get some more features in compared to Honda City. In this, you will get ventilated seats, wireless charging, which are not available in the Honda City. With it, you will get completely digital instrument cluster. You will get tire pressure monitoring system on both these cars. Seats of this car are very good, but it's quite narrow in compared to Honda City, and in both you will get 6 airbags, ABS plus EBD, and you will get lots of features too. There is a touchscreen system, 18-inch touchscreen system. You will get Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, reverse parking camera, and you will get adaptive guidelines for the reverse parking camera. You will also get a sunroof in this car, but it's quite narrow in compared to Honda City. Let's move towards to the rear seat. If we talk about the space at the rear seat, City is more spacious than the Verna. There is not so much knee room on offer. Headroom is not so much due to its sloping roofline. In terms of rear seat comfort, City feels more comfortable than the Verna. In Honda City, you will get 2 engine option, 1.5 liter petrol and 1.5 liter diesel, and the petrol engine can give mileage up to 12 to 14 km per liter in city, and in highway it can give up mileage up to 18 to 20 km per liter, and diesel can give you mileage up to 17 to 18 km per liter in city, and in highway it can give up to mileage 20 to 20 km per liter. So in Hyundai Verna, you will get 3 engine option, 1.5 liter petrol and 1.5 liter diesel and 1 liter turbo petrol. The diesel variant of Verna can give mileage up to 15 to 17 km per liter in city, and in highway it can give mileage up to 19 to 20 km per liter. So that's all we have for today. If you have any questions or queries, you can put it in the comment section. You can also follow us on Instagram at AutoNextPro. If you like this video, all you have to do is press the like button and subscribe button.